Well, good greetings and beautiful and abundant benevolent blessings to all of my wonderful community souls out there. How are you all doing today? Yes, that's a question. Answer in the comments below, please. Anyways, guys, welcome to the All Things Health and Wealth show. And my name is Kiara Dukas, and I am going to be doing a really super quick video. I know I haven't posted in a few days. I've had a really crazy couple experiences in the past few days, but I guess the whole world is going through their own stuff at each independent and wonderful time. But with that being said, all resolved, all is being sorted, and sometimes I guess you just need a day or two in between some of the videos. But guys, I have some really awesome stuff to share with you. I know you've all been seeing how the markets have been going up, and yeah, well, at least Bitcoin is going up, and of course I have a few other things to share. If you haven't come to like my page or subscribe my page, please do so. In the meantime, it's a very simple click on the little subscribe button and you're done. And thank you for following me. I do greatly appreciate it, and really thank you to all of you guys for being here with me today. So let's get on to our other videos, our actual content here for the day. Straight into the Bitcoin chart, and let's have a look here. So I want to just move this first quickly so you can see the volume there. So basically we had I think it was on the 18th, which is 2 days ago. So that would be on Monday. We had a really huge pump up here, so we bottomed out of a fake out. However, as you can see, the ribbon, and rejection from the broke down. We broke below my green line and then below my upward trending support line here, which is very, very critical. So we wicked down below and we immediately came back up. 4, 8, 12, 16 hours. Okay. So we broke back. The green candle here closed inside, really good and healthy. And it closed right underneath my purple box. And it's okay. It's not the greatest. I would still proceed with caution if you are trading. But if you have been accumulating, if this continues to come down and can't get back up, then you do need to continue to accumulate some more for sure. That is no financial advice, but when the prices are cheap, of course it makes sense to get them while they're cheap. Like if Adidas having a sale on shoes at 50% discount, of course you're going to go and get them if you like Adidas and you need a new pair of shoes. So why wouldn't you do the same for protecting your wealth and yourself against inflationary environments that are currently happening around the world with all the crazy stuff going on? But let's not delve into that because we're not getting into any of that kind of stuff. So we're just here today talking about our beauty price, and yeah, let's get on with it. So guys, I'm in Johannesburg, and it's been quite hectic as of this morning. Let's just call it the past 24 hours. Events, which I don't know if you know what that means, but literally 4 times and 2 to 3 hours each time in the past 24 hours, electricity has gone off thanks to Eskom and their bad management of the electrical program. So that happened on the coldest day of this so far. Thank you to them for doing that. Luckily, we have a generator on this side and we do use it. So that really helps so much. At the end of the day, we really got to do what we got to do to protect ourselves and our interests. We run and operate businesses, so we absolutely cannot go like that. But anyways, with that being said, have a look at them. That this candle broke, absolutely awesome. And then the next candle had quite a bit of volume as well. Not as much, but definitely quite a bit of volume, which is still good. And even though the volume is down, we have a mini little flag here. If you can put a little line here and a little line here. We have any bull flag. So basically, we're going to, as you can see, sort of resistance here, top of my purple box. So we probably test the top of the purple to the white line. If we not break up above that line and get back above the 40, my blue line here, the 44,340 level, we cannot do that. we find ourselves in another rejection, because this would have just been a mini relief rally, and obviously that's not going to really please all of the long-term Bitcoin holders. But the long-term Bitcoin holders know that they're in for the long term. They're not in it for a trade. So if you took a trade from here and that's your target, let's see, boom, at that reversal candle. If you're entered into that reversal candle, currently you're up 6.65%. If you took a trade and you put it at 10x leverage, you'd be at 66%. So basically, if we get up to the white line, that's 11%. If you trade and you're still in that trade, you would get yourself 110% on your trade. So that's really awesome. Okay, that's it. Actually, no, hold on. Let's go check quickly the day time frame so we can just share our same views on. Okay, so on the day time frame, we closed yesterday's candle quite above. Even though the ribbons pulled down, we've pulled back above my descending and above my ascending line over here and above this white line, which is good. It's a good signal. So we could see a relief rally from anywhere where we are right now up to the top of this box again, and then find some support on the blue line and then push back up. Guys, if we did that, there's a potential that this could forming another W pattern, and this would be a heck load larger, because here would be the formation back down and up. So we would have to then break that line. Our target would still be 56K. So if we're really interested in where the Bitcoin price is going, just hold caution, and boom, you can see it wicked, and boom, we wicked. So really awesome. Volume is pretty intense as well, but nowhere near like these two candles here. So see where we go from. If we cannot get ourselves back above the ribbon, because we're busy testing the ribbon right now, if we cannot get ourselves back above the ribbon, there's a potential that we continue to come down and potentially come down to the 37, 38. If we go lower than that, we're definitely coming back down to the 34, 35K level. So guys, trade with caution, and make sure that you are in this to win it. I have to say to you, the week is now looking a whole lot healthier, but we're only third day in the week, so we still have quite a number of days to get past. And say this to you, the yellow ribbon, the 20 moving average of the ribbon is starting to look like it wants to cross. So if we pull back up enough, this might be quite detrimental to us, and we might see ourselves come back down to the 31K level. So I'm sure any of you don't really want to see that in if it goes down there, dollar cost averaging, and we're buying up more. So with that being said, that's all for the Bitcoin price. I'd like to just talk a little bit about XP right now. I'm not going to and show you anything news-wise for now. I'll show you what happened on because Bitcoin broke up, so did most of the not all of them, but some of them, especially in the top 10, 50 and the top 100. Those coins definitely broke up quite nicely. And as you can see here, this is a reversal candle. So of course we're going to pull a little bit, and we've broken back up above, and we're finding support on the ribbon, and it's looking like we're getting ready to push back up. So with the incredible, and we bouncing angle channel here, and up above. So we're looking pretty good, but we have to get back into this purple box to look even more healthy. So I just wanted to share that with you, and I know that this line I drew a little while ago, but let's pull that line down and let's see what that did for us. Okay, so that's where our line is. So you can see we broke above it, found some support here. So we broke up, found some support, and we're pulling back up. So this is really healthy. And as we all know from the recent news and the recent information, that the SEC are phonies. They are they're jailbirds. You know, they are the real criminals at the end of the day. And yes, I will call that out for what it is, because I do see that if they are protecting their own interest in other assets and other crypto assets more specifically, showing that Ethereum has been supportive of Ethereum has been doing exactly what the SEC didn't want, but Ripple has been following exactly the regulatory environment, and they still got sued. So that's really unhealthy for this space, and that news is coming out right now, and that is going to completely change this entire environment in the crypto space, because the SEC have lost ground, and so has the credibility of the SEC lost ground because of this incident. So that's good for you and me at the end of the day, and that's really very, very, very powerful information for the crypto space. So I do believe that we will see a little bit more push in the crypto space right now, but it's going to be slow adoption at this point, because even though we've had huge buy volumes from the institutions, the retail aspect still needs to come in. Still only 4% of the world are in crypto right now, even though many, many more people are getting to know about crypto, and Bitcoin especially. Only 4% of the world are in crypto, so we are early. If you're in crypto right now today, and you started today, you're in early. So congratulations to you, and well done. I'd like to share something that has been going around quite tremendous. The cult project, has been spoken about very, very highly. And as you can see, we've massive pull up here. There's huge buy in and then since then we've had pretty much a flat line in volume of purchase, so hence this downward line here. There's much resistance up above the ribbon a couple days ago. I think this was at the start of the year on Friday, and we couldn't get out right now. Sitting at the ribbons, the ribbons are opening, so there is a potential that we could see the price of cult come down quite a little bit more. My entry in is at about the 3,000 level, so that's my average buy entry. So yes, we're down a little bit on the purchase, but at the end of the day, I have to say to you, if you go and read the cult manifesto, you're going to be scooping up much more of this. So if you want to go and look at the cult manifesto, I'll take you there, where to go and find it in a second. But right now, I just wanted to show you that there is 8,000 odd people that are really interested in cultdao and the potential of cultdao. It has a market cap of 106 million already. Its volume is 13.5 million in terms of trading, and its fully diluted valuation, according to CoinGecko, is 170 million. Now, the circulating supply is 206 million for it's 4 billion. Is that 4 billion? Yeah. No, it's not. Sorry, it's 4 trillion. 3, 6, 9, 12. Yeah, 4 trillion. And the max supply is this wonderful, interesting number here, because the universe is, as Nikola Tesla said, the universe operates on 3, 6s, and 9s. So if you go see, I tend to buy things at these numbers, 3, 6s, and 9s, because those are the levels that will hold. And if you go and look at the Fibonacci sequence, that's what the Fibonacci sequence mathematically resolves itself with. So very, very interesting information right there. Now, total circulating supply, boom. It's about 4 billion right now, nearly 5 billion. So yourself here, come look at the website, add a coin to your MetaMask wallet from here, and come check out the link. And this is the contract number, so enjoy that. And you want to have a look at the max on this. I'd just like to share the max here quickly. And while that, we are currently 65% from its all-time high, down from its all-time high, but we are currently 17,000% up from its all-time. So isn't that quite interesting? So I just want to show you guys that this is an incredibly awesome contract. Yes, they made some pullback. Okay, I'll come back to this chart now shortly, but I just wanted to come here and show you their website, because this is, if you come click on their website, if you click at the cultdao, you will go and see the manifesto. Go and click there, and I'd like to share with you that I haven't put my tokens in here. I'm actually just wanting to accumulate a little bit more before I stake this, because I can see that the price is coming down, so I'm going to be buying and picking up a whole lot more at this low price. And you get 42% APR. Isn't that quite interesting? So with a project that has absolutely incredible legs and incredible manifesto, you are going to want to be staking your cultdao here. And I really am so excited for this to get onto the Binance Smart Chain platform one of these days, because Ethereum fees, gas fees are high, and with Ethereum postponing the launch of version 2, that is still going to continue to make very expensive. So as an example, if you were to transfer $100 into this staked account, you would have to pay $20 in fees to transfer it from the exchange that you bought it from to get it here, because of those gas fees. And really, that is extremely expensive. That's 20% of your investment, so that already chows into your APR. But at the end of the day, when this grows, your $20 is going to be nothing compared to what you'll make from this project. Thoroughly enjoy that. You can see here there's already quite a substantial amount. There's 1.9 billion staked in this pool. So so we do not start to make back up from this channel. The likelihood of us coming back down, just draw a little. In fact, let's draw my little box, because the looks is where we need to know where our points are. So I like to keep my stuff pretty neat. So let's bring it up and let's pull it to this. Let's pull it up to this here. Boom. Yeah. Okay. So our next really major support level, and if you're going to buy at this point, that's incredible. So the price, the better the buy entry. Okay, so I'm just want to let you guys know that this is really, and come take a look at the charts on TradingView. Really appreciate watching this video, and my community. Thank you for being here with us. And you can go, if you're a trader, please you need to be experienced using this link, but there is a link right now pinned in the comments below that you can go and get yourself a $4,100 bonus after doing a deposit using my link on Bybit, and you will get yourself $4,100 or up to $4,100 when you make your deposit into that account. So go and do that. And I mean, even if you really wanted to, you could go and sign up and do that with 10 emails if you really want. And you could get $41,000 worth of bonus, but you didn't hear that from me. So yeah, at the end of the day, thank you for watching this video. If you haven't liked my channel or this video, please like right now. It really takes 1 second for you to hit that thumbs up for me. And it really does me good in creating more content for this wonderful channel that show you guys. And obviously this takes a lot of time to do these videos, and I would really appreciate your love. So thank you to those who are already on my page. Really do appreciate you. Love you lots. You have yourselves a blessed and beautiful and wonderful day ahead. Subscribe and share if you can, and hit that notification bell so you know when the next video is coming. There's going to be a lot more videos coming over the next few days. So take care and have a happy, healthy, beautiful Wednesday. Lots of love, my beautiful community.